Hello curly friends, today I'm going to show you the products I've been using lately. So this is the moisturizing shampoo from Bounce Girl and the Miracle Volume Conditioner from Aussie. And of course we're using warm water para ma-open ang hair cuticle, which helps the shampoo and conditioner do a better job on our hair. And here I'm only putting the shampoo on my scalp because it's the scalp that needs the most attention. Yung roots niya madalas na oily kaysa sa hair, and yung hair mas madalas naman siyang dry, and so if you put more shampoo, lalo magiging dry. Baka nagtataka kayo walang bubbles yung ating shampoo. Ako rin nagtataka. Nakalagay naman sa label niya, add water to your hair if you want more foam. Pero ayokong maglagay ng maraming water kasi ayokong ma-rinse out yung shampoo agad. So, ayun. Pero effective naman siya kasi nalilinis talaga yung scalp and namomoisturize din. And now, let's put the conditioner. As you can see, I split my hair like that para malagyan talaga lahat, especially on the back, and wait for a few minutes before rinsing. And now I'm going to put curl conditioning oil cream from Kulot to give extra moisture sa aking curly hair. Then apply the light cream gel from Bounce Pro. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button, and see you next time. Bye!